Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Motorola. Start by accessing Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS launcher. Now install this app from this developer and click on Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select Allow. Finally, click Home button, tap on iOS launcher, select Always, got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. You can also though switch between them by going into device settings, choosing apps and notifications, then advanced and default apps. Over here, click on Home app. If you wish to switch to your default launcher, click on Moto app launcher, and as you can see, iOS 1 is no more, basically, but you can always go back into the same settings, and if you wish to try some iPhone layout, click on iOS launcher from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!